Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU portable washer and the SuperDeal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washer. We'll analyze their features, performance, and value to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER model offers a washing capacity of 6.6 pounds, which is suitable for small loads. In contrast, the SuperDeal model has a significantly larger capacity of 13 pounds, allowing you to wash more clothes at once. This makes the SuperDeal a better option for larger households or those who need to do laundry less frequently. The material of the tub is another important factor to consider. The BLACK+DECKER washer features a durable, stainless steel tub, which is known for its longevity and resistance to rust. On the other hand, the SuperDeal washer has a plastic tub, which may not be as durable over time. If you prioritize durability, the BLACK+DECKER is the clear winner in this category. Price is always a significant consideration. The BLACK+DECKER washer is priced at $249, which reflects its higher quality and features. In contrast, the SuperDeal washer is much more affordable at just $113. If you're on a budget, the SuperDeal offers excellent value for money, especially for those who need a basic washing solution. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER and SuperDeal washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. If you need a durable machine with multiple wash cycles, the BLACK+DECKER is a great choice. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a larger capacity, the SuperDeal is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.